To determine if a Google form is anonymous, follow these simple steps. Start by opening a browser and navigating to formsgoogle.com. Log into your account, which will take you to your homepage where you can select any Google form. Once you have chosen a form, click on the Settings tab located at the top center of the screen. In the Settings, click on the Responses option, and then select the arrow next to it. From the drop-down menu, you will see the option to collect email addresses. Make sure this is set to Do Not Collect. Additionally, scroll down and ensure that the Limit to One Response option is turned off. To verify that the form is anonymous, preview it by clicking on the eye icon at the top right-hand side of the screen. If the form is anonymous, your email address will not be shared, indicated by Not Shared displayed below your email. By following these steps, you can easily determine if a Google form is anonymous.